How did space travel balance animal testing with ethics? Imagine a tiny mouse floating in zero gravity, its tiny body adapting to conditions no creature has faced before. Early space exploration relied heavily on animals to understand what humans might endure in space. Scientists launched fruit flies, monkeys, and dogs on suborbital and orbital missions to study how radiation, weightlessness, and stress affected living beings. These experiments proved that life could survive launch and re-entry, paving the way for humans to follow. But these tests weren't without controversy. Many animals died during early missions due to technical failures or the harsh environment. For example, monkeys like Albert the first reached high altitudes but died on impact. Dogs like Laika were sent into space with no plans for their return, raising serious ethical questions. These tragedies made scientists and the public think about the moral responsibilities involved in animal research. As space science advanced, so did ethical standards. By the mid-1990s, agencies like the National Aeronautics and Space Administration introduced rules to treat animals more humanely. They limited the number of animals used, choosing species that could give clear results while reducing harm. They also used anesthesia and other methods to lessen pain and distress. These rules aimed to balance scientific progress with respect for animal life. Today, many space agencies prefer computer models or cell cultures instead of animals for studying space effects. However, some experiments still involve animals like mice, which help scientists understand issues like bone loss and muscle shrinkage caused by microgravity. Sending mice to the International Space Station allows researchers to observe biological changes that are impossible to study ethically on humans. In the end, the way space travel has balanced animal testing with ethics has shifted from risky experiments with high animal mortality to a more cautious and respectful approach. This change reflects how scientific progress now goes hand in hand with moral responsibility. It shows that while animals have helped unlock secrets of space, their use is now carefully justified, minimized, and conducted with compassion. This evolution helps us learn more about human limits in extreme environments while respecting the lives of our fellow creatures.